Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about creating compelling product reviews for affiliate marketing. If you're an affiliate marketer looking to boost your conversions and engage your audience, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll share strategies and tips for crafting compelling product reviews that drive sales. Let's get started. The first step in creating compelling product reviews is to thoroughly research and understand the product you're reviewing. Dive deep into its features, benefits, and limitations. Test the product yourself if possible, or gather insights from reliable sources to provide an accurate and honest assessment. By becoming an expert on the product, you'll be able to provide your audience with valuable information and address their potential concerns or questions. Next, focus on structuring your review in a way that is informative and engaging. Start with an attention-grabbing introduction that highlights the problem the product solves or the desire it fulfills. This will immediately captivate your viewers and draw them into the review. Then, delve into the product's key features and benefits. Explain how each feature addresses a specific need or adds value to the user's life. Use examples and personal experiences to make it relatable and authentic. It's essential to be transparent and honest in your reviews. Share both the positives and negatives of the product. If there are limitations or drawbacks, mention them and offer alternative options if available. Your audience will appreciate your honesty, and it builds trust in your recommendations. Additionally, incorporate real-life examples, case studies, or testimonials to further validate your review. This social proof adds credibility and strengthens your audience's confidence in the product. To make your review more engaging, consider using visual aids such as product images or video demonstrations. Seeing the product in action enhances the viewer's understanding and helps them visualize how it can benefit them. If possible, include your own high-quality images or videos showcasing the product's features and functionality. This personal touch adds authenticity to your review and makes it stand out. In addition to the product itself, don't forget to highlight the affiliate program and any exclusive offers or discounts you can provide to your audience. Mention the commission structure, any bonuses they'll receive, or any additional value they'll gain by purchasing through your affiliate link. Make it clear that purchasing through your link supports your channel and enables you to continue providing valuable content. This transparency strengthens the relationship between you and your audience. To maximize the impact of your product review, optimize it for search engines. Conduct keyword research to identify relevant keywords that your audience may use when searching for reviews of the product you're promoting. Incorporate these keywords naturally throughout your review, including in the title, headings, and description. This helps your review rank higher in search results, attracting more potential buyers to your video. Finally, always end your review with a clear call to action, CTA. Encourage your viewers to click on your affiliate link to purchase the product or learn more. Provide a compelling reason why they should take action now, such as limited time offers or bonuses. Remind them of the benefits they'll receive by using the product and how it can improve their lives. Make it easy for them to find your affiliate link by including it in the video description or using YouTube's card feature. Congratulations! You have learned the key strategies for creating compelling product reviews for affiliate marketing. By conducting thorough research, structuring your review effectively, being transparent and honest, incorporating visual aids, highlighting the affiliate program, optimizing for search engines, and including a strong call to action, you can create reviews that resonate with your audience and drive conversions. Also, if you want to start making awesome videos like this one just by adding text and generating fully customized videos with a few clicks of a button. There is also a link in the description to join Pictory so you can start creating awesome videos instantly with a free trial. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.